Hello everyone, welcome to the fourth episode of Getting Started. Myself Samyak Jain, coordinator at Coding Club IIT Guwahati, will introduce you to the app development module. Okay, so in this module we'll be learning about what is app development, why should we proceed with app development, and what is the path to become a successful app developer. So firstly, let me explain you what is app development. So just like the name suggests, this is the branch of development that deals with the development of mobile applications. An app developer is a professional who designs, creates, deploys and updates programs for a particular device. Now we'll be talking about why app development. So with the growing number of people who are accessing the internet via the smartphones and tablets, mobile app development has become a unique ability to access a large number of consumers. And also, let me tell you about the market reports. And currently, the global mobile application market size was valued at $106 billion in 2018, and it is projected to reach to $407 billion by 2026, growing at a CAGR of 18% from 2019 to 2026. All right. Let me tell you the other benefits of app development. Building an app builds loyalty amongst the consumers, reinforces the brand, increasing accessibility. Also, it increases the sell as consumers have easy access to them. All right. So, diving in, there are basically two types of app developers. One are for iOS developers and the other are Android developers. So as the name suggests, iOS developers may create, test and update applications for iOS, and similarly the Android developers do it for the Android system. And for iOS, the language which is used is Swift, which is the main programming language for application development, and for Android development the languages used are Flutter, Kotlin, Java. Okay, moving on. So what are the different paths to app development? So basically there are two types of apps. One is called a native app and the other is called hybrid app. So the difference between both of them is native apps are used only for a particular operating system. Suppose an app is made for iOS, then it can be used only in iOS and not in other operating systems. While an hybrid app, which will have the same code base, so the same code can be used in Android, iOS and even web apps. So the examples for native apps are Kotlin and Java, which are used for Android, and Swift for iOS, which I already told. And for hybrid app, Flutter is used. In Flutter, the same code can be used for iOS and web app as well as Android, and the same code can be used. Also, I have provided a link which includes the difference between both of them, so we can go through them. Okay, so moving on, how to proceed and how to learn the programming language. So talking about Flutter first, Flutter being the hybrid language. So with this we can create app for all the platforms, which is quite easier for a developer, so that he can make an app for all three operating systems. So we have provided a proper guide to learn these things. Firstly, we have provided links for installation, then setting up of Android emulator. Then we need to first learn about Dart. Then we need to learn about Flutter. Then after that a little bit of backend with using Firebase, and after that some additional knowledge so that you can enhance the quality of your application. So basically here we have included a proper timeline. So this playlist contains 44 videos with an average length of 6.3 minutes and total length is 4.46 hours, which you are expected to complete in 1 to 3 days. And similarly, we have added resources for learning each and everything, so you can go through them. Alright, moving on to the next programming language, that is Java. So Java is amongst the oldest language which are used for app development, so which is quite stable right now. And with this, we have provided you the resources in the same way, starting from the basics and fundamentals of Java, then Java tutorials for beginners, and then complete Android app development course, which has 126 videos, and you can complete it in 10 days. So basically, this whole course you can complete in around 20 to 25 days, which is the max limit, and you can start developing your own app with just devoting 2 hours a day or similarly like that. We have also added some channels, so if you have any doubts, so you can refer to these channels and get your doubts solved. Also, you can put your doubts on the Discord server as well, where any of the coordinator can clear out your doubts. Alright, moving on to the third section, that is Kotlin. So Kotlin and Java, as I said, these are made for Android systems, and these are used to make native apps which are specifically for Android, while Flutter, which I told, is used to make hybrid apps which can be used to make app for all systems. So basically, many programmers nowadays prefer Flutter because it is easier to make hybrid apps through it, and this code can be used in all three of operating systems. And talking about Kotlin, we have provided Kotlin fundamentals so that you can learn the fundamentals, and after that we have provided the Android application development course using Kotlin, which has 29 videos. So you can complete this Kotlin complete course within 15 days. So you can start, after that you can start making your own apps. Alright, so these are some useful YouTube channels which we have provided to you, so you can go through them, and if you have any doubts you can get clarified through these channels which are very useful to you. Alright, here we go, this is time, so you can go on and start your app development journey. I hope this getting started series would be helpful to you to get started with the application development, and you can get through making good applications useful for everyone. Thank you so much.